You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce this word, the name of this ingredient, let's call it a dish, maybe, in Japanese. And we'll get to the English pronunciation as well. You have to know that it's not really Japanese in origin, but of course it's used in Japan as well. So in Japan, it's pronounced as tofu, tofu, tofu. Now, of course, tofu is how you say it in English. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.